What's up, pepper pioneers? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing peppers. That's right, we're gonna take you from seed to sizzling harvest, arming you with the know-how to grow peppers like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this step-by-step guide will have you harvesting delicious peppers right in your backyard. Get ready to spice up your life. First things first, we gotta figure out what kind of pepper experience we're after. Are we talking sweet and colorful bell peppers for our salads? Or are we cranking up the heat with some jalapeños or habaneros? Now don't go getting overwhelmed with options. Just consider your taste buds and your growing zone. Trust me, there's a perfect pepper out there for everyone. Once you've chosen your pepper variety, it's time to get those seeds started. We're kicking things off indoors, about 8 to 10 weeks before your last expected frost. Grab yourself some seed starting mix and some trays or small pots. Now, peppers like to be cozy, so plant those seeds about 1/4 inch deep. Keep that soil nice and moist, aiming for a balmy 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit for germination. It's like creating a tiny tropical vacation for your pepper seeds. All right, our pepper seeds have sprouted and are ready to soak up some rays, or at least some grow lights. Give those seedlings a prime spot under some grow lights or a super sunny window. We want them to bask in 14 to 16 hours of light each day. This is key for strong, healthy growth. Think of it like giving your pepper plants a solid 8 hours of sleep, but with light. Chapter 4. As your pepper seedlings grow, keep a close eye on their roots. If they start looking cramped in their starter pots, it's time to give them an upgrade. Transplant those babies into larger pots to prevent root binding. You'll know it's time when you see roots circling around the bottom of the tray. Give those roots room to stretch. Chapter 5. Before we unleash our pepper plants into the great outdoors, we gotta toughen them up a bit. About 7 to 10 days before transplanting, start hardening them off. Think of it like pepper boot camp. Start by giving them a few hours of shade outside, then gradually increase the sunlight and time they spend outdoors each day. This helps them acclimate to the elements and become strong, independent peppers. Chapter 6. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Once the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed to a comfortable 65 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to transplant our peppers into their forever homes. Find a sunny spot with well-draining soil and give those plants some space. About 18 to 24 inches apart should do it. Before you tuck them in, mix some compost or organic fertilizer into the hole. It's like giving them a welcome home present. Chapter 7. Pepper TLC Care and Maintenance. Now that our pepper plants are settled in, let's talk about keeping them happy and healthy. Consistent watering is key, folks. Keep that soil evenly moist, but don't drown them. Soggy roots are a no-no. Mulching around the plants will help retain moisture and keep those pesky weeds at bay. And to keep those peppers growing strong, feed them every few weeks with a balanced or low nitrogen fertilizer. Chapter 8. Pollination Power. To get those peppers plump and plentiful, we need to help with pollination. Give your plants a gentle shake now and then to spread the pollen around. Or better yet, invite some buzzing buddies to the garden. Bees are pollination pros. If you're growing taller pepper varieties, you might need to provide some support. A simple stake or cage will do the trick and prevent those heavy fruits from breaking the branches. Chapter 9. Harvest Bounty. This is it, the moment of flavor. Harvest your peppers when they reach your desired size and color. Use scissors or pruners to avoid damaging the plant. And here's a little secret. The more you pick, the more they produce. So keep harvesting and enjoy a continuous supply of delicious homegrown peppers. Outrow, you've got this. There you have it, Pepper Pros. You're now equipped with the knowledge to grow your own pepper paradise. Remember, growing peppers is a journey, so don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more gardening adventures, and share your pepper growing triumphs in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.